Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing really good. Today we had mushrooms in our fridge, so we are going to show you how my Ammo cooks this for us. We also had some prawns, so we are going to cook it all together. First, let's start by pouring in the oil and giving in some red chilies, dry red chilies and onions, and also garlic. And we are going to put our green chilies and then our prawns. And then we are going to mix it and let it fry for some minutes. Give it a bit stir, then we are going to crack in our eggs. Here goes our number 1 egg and egg number 2. Finally, let's give in egg number 3. Then we are going to put in our salt and black pepper powder and then stir it again so that the eggs get crumbled, and then give a little bit of butter to spice things up. Add our mushrooms. There we have it. It was so easy, and now we're just going to add a little bit of masalas like soya sauce and vinegar, just like a tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it all together. It looks so good and tastes so good. I hope you try it. Bye bye.